for children, like Ellie, the poor. Yeah.
Ano, she's going, Ate Nor, she's going down.
I can swim. You want me to swim? Yeah, I'll swim. I with Ellie.
May oksakir kaya sa bagangga.
Shall we? I can't see.
Kuya Borge na lang.
Ikaw din na kayo samahan mo si Nanush. Hindi siya pwede din.
Si Sabana.
Where's the
Wala na,
siren
mag-prepare
head?
na yun, mag-makeup na yan siya.
Where's the siren?
Alauna na, saan nun? 1 o'clock ka uli?
3 p.m.
3 p.m., 1 o'clock ka nandoon na. Sige lang, punta lang kami. Makapunta kami. Si daddy mo.
Lunch lang.
Mom, where's the siren head?
Where?
They're outside. Wait, what's happening? Give me back.
Ibalik. Ano pala kinuha ni Tita dyan?
Asim? Armpit.
Lolo June.
Oh, you see?
That's the music before we were young before, right?
Now you don't know. Tell me what to do.
That's our sound, music. Huh?
Pwede yan sisama na Friday sa 5. Kasi
Oo. Sunod ko na ate ang kaki.
give mo si ano.
Oh.
Give mo si...
Oh, eat it.
Ate mo. DJ. Kuya DJ.
Hindi mo.
Oy! Give Ellie, give Ellie. DJ.
Ito na eh. Iyanin niya mo,
Tayo,
Lolo.
saan kaya tayo bukas?
To eat live, okay?
Alis ka dyan. Ellie, look at the camera. Ellie! Can I brush myself first?
Tayo naman madagin.
Can I brush it first? Let me check it out.
Nagali ng mga saksak na. Itagay mo na ang ano.
Wow! It's so nice. Ellie! Ellie! Look at the camera.
Off mo?
Where are we going?
Lami.
Where are we going?
Go with Ate Sam.
No, sa akin siya.
Oh,
Hi.
Hi!
Hello.
Oh, you show your outfit. Oh, you pose. Like this.
Picturean mo kami dito lahat.
One, two, three, smile. Okay.
Ellie ang lahat.
Dami mo, Ellie. Uy, dami mo alalay.
You said you can't change your haircut, but it looks good anyway. I kinda wonder where
Wow, you stand up here only. Oh, look here, picture. Stay. Look here, Ellie smile. Yay! Where's my swimwear?
Ako. Para mag-vlog ko na mo niya.
Okay. Ellie lang tayo.
Asa diri ya?
Ano ma'am, minimum of
We will swim with it.
maximum 4 extra bed lang kung mag-extra bed.
Pero wala na bayad ang sa ang ikaport.
Additional na advantage ma'am, extra bed.
Kung wala na magka-extra bed, wala na bayad. Extra. Sayang, may mga kasama ako. Ang ganda. Ayun, sayang.
Kuya, kailan lang to na
Kailan to?
Mga 3 months pa lang.
Wapo. Ganda. Hindi akong contact number mo, kuya.
Sure po.
Sayang, may bisita ako sana doon sa Marino. Sayang. Magkano to?
5,000 po.
Okay na siya.
Okay na.
Palipati mo si Tita Gingging dito.
Cute siya.
Paano siya Siargao, Jay? Timing lang yung ano.
I doubt you even paid. The right side of my neck still smells
para maano ko, upload ko.
50% off na kami, ha? Kay Black kami.
Shall we wear this one?
You want to wear it na?
Yeah.
Oh!
Starlink lang, click lang. Connect na.
Huy, guys!
Close your mouth. Close your eyes.
Huy!
Uy, alisin yung diaper.
Okay, wait lang.
Alisin yung diaper.
This.
Ang diaper.
Ano?
Mami, Uy, yung kanyang panty daw.
Ellie, where do
Kani
I
si
put
TJ
this?
magputong, no?
Did you pee here?
Yeah. Me.
Tita DJ, come! Look at me.
What you doing, Ellie? What you doing, Ellie? Are you floating? Yummy?
Akin na, Bi. Okay, akin na. Akin na, may i-post ako. Ah, hindi yun.
Hoy, Ellie!
Look at Did you look at Tita DJ?
What? What?
Don't tell mom, ha? Last na, ha? Last, ha?
You tell Kuya TJ.
I will tell to grandma. Ha? Oo. Don't tell mom daw.
Don't tell mom.
Marunong.
Ellie! Come here! Ellie!
Baby girl, when was it that you decided? Oh, call it off and on. We were just having fun, loving one last time. Still, I catch you in the day, still at my side, passing by. And someday you would make up your mind. Oh, alone again about time. Alone again about time. Honeybee, was it your buzzing I adore?
Era!
Ano yun?
Kuya Ellie! Ayaw ba't mag-dede?
stung me twice before I kept coming back. I kept coming back for more. Always reminded of the days when you were my cherry launcher. Finding our own worlds, getting lost, you and I.
Dili, oy. Nagahiga niya siya, oh.
Let's save Ellie.
That's what?
Let's save Ellie.
Ganun ako si Pikas. Pikas na, or? Oh my god. Slidey lagi nga. Uy!
Okay. Where are we? The lake now. What? We're at the lake. In the don't run, don't run.
Chill ka lang.
Wait, put on your swimwear first. Don't run.
Put on your life vest first.
Natawin mo? Nagwe?
Kamuka kayo, or? Ka-vibe kayo. Lord!
My friend, I'm a dog. Police dog, police dog. Another dog. Tita chair. Oh, Arabelle. Arabelle.
O din di, yung malambot.
You want to ride?
The blue moon's on the rise. No one I'd rather have beside me tonight. Alone again on Valentine. Alone again on Valentine.
Smile. Or video mo kaya. Approaching ang crocodile.
I can flip. I guess.
What the heck? Nauso man ang isa dira. Hi guys, sa Kalili na lake kami right now. Yun sila. Mga isda na nag-float. Sa mura kag white lady. Yeah.
Nag-globe. Nag-eat ng ano. Ayan ako. Wow, sarap. Slim. You want to taste? You want?
Ano yun?
Yummy? Ha? You like?
Bakit yan mukha mo?
Drone sila. Ano ang drone? May drone sila pinalipad.
Slay Cottage.
Pinabigan ko siya, friends kami.
Si Paniki daw to.
Bat, piniki.
Hi guys.
Piniki. Piniki. Piniki.
Mas parang matigas yun.
Hindi. Piniki. Piniki or rice? You eat rice. Diba siya mag-clean? Ipag-clean mo doon sa kanya. More rice, piniki. Piniki.
Picture na siya, May.
So meat piniki kasi para siyang paniki.
Uy, tanggalin nyo na yan.
Say hi to piniki.
Gusto daw niya kit-kitin.
Yung gano'n mo rin mag-sync ta?
Suroy.
Hi!
Second, I'm the winner.
What? Play.
Ano?
Pick lang. Sili po siya. Or, bakit ka nakaganyan? Mag-hi kayo. Beauty orb, guys. Sana ako good. Wala, nakatabon pala ako.
Uy, saka mo. May boat na.
Wow!
Oy.
Wow!
Di kung may crocodile dito, di meron sa baba.
Wow! Scary!
Kaya na yung tagay kanina. Oh, yung ginagamit nila sa ano nila sa maliligo mag-shower. Diyan kinukuha.
Ay, kaba pa pala. Choy! Ang fish. Wow!
Ang walking show.
Saan? Wow! Hala! Big din here, oh.
Ito na yung dead end.
Wow! Le. Kanay. Really?
Haba siya. Try mo kay Ate Sam.
Ayoko. Lalom dito? Dili?
Ate, ganun ba? Oh my God!
Or, what if ma-slide ka ulit?
Kaya ko nga.
Kaya mo.
Ako lang i-try dito sa leg.
Norshi, jump. Sabay kayo ni TJ mag-jump. Noon sa ka-or. May
I
sugat
don't
daw
like
siya.
small sugat. 2 cuts. Tema. Ate, wait lang.
Wait lang. Ipaupo mo ako. Okay, go. Hindi basa. Oh! Kahadlok. O, ikaw. Ako din. Ako din. Mag-jump ka din? 3, 2, 1, jump! Sure ka?
Hindi ako mag-jump. May slide ako.
Sabi mo, ayaw mo naman basa.
Wala ba ibang good sa feeling?
Ayoko, injured yung pinky toe ko.
Tanawa good. Nai-shocker do you guys.
Wala ba ibig sa feeling? Ikaw daw or mag-dip ka? Look at my pinky toe, it's injured. Oh, so sad. Look, it's cut. Aww. Wait.
Mag-move ka daw. Hindi ka nag-move.
May sugat pa ako.
Smile.
Hey, I don't want it. Hey, I don't want it. I don't want a glass of air. No, I don't want the air. No, I don't want the air. I don't want the air. I don't want it.
Hindi mo yan mag-move.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Again.
Happy birthday to you. La la la. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
One more time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. All right.
Happy birthday, pa.
Eat it.
Happy birthday, Ellie. Blow. That one.
Era, you blow for Era. You blow for Era.
Blow, blow, blow.
Okay, other one. Very good.
Alright. Balik.
Era.
Kita. Si ano. Picturean ka ni tita. Picture si tita. Picture si tita. Picture si tita.
Wow. Look at Era, Ellie, oh.
Sige. Ala.
Smile, Era. Uy, mag...
Ano kita pasingod? Ano dakaw? Kita pasingod. Anto kita, maligo kita, maligo. Amo nga ni, pingunta na tagaw, hain kan mo ina, mana sa ko iban ni. Nasa adik ko ibang ka namin. Nasa adik ko ibang ka. Nasa ka adik ko ibang ka namin. Nasa ko nga tusang ina ama mo. Nasa adik ko ibang ka namin. Hain kita pasingod. Nay, oh, gani. Nahin kita muli na kita dabaw, muli na kita biyan na to. Biyan na to si mamay papay mo, biyan na to, ha? Amo nga ni, nahin kita pasingod. Ha, Ili, hain kita.
Sabihin mo, I don't
Hain kita pasingod. Hain kita pasingod, ha? Mukhaan ko ng amo,
Sabi mo,
ha?
Lolo Joy, enough.
Embayo mo ng bayo ng amo. Sukot ka, ha? Sukot ka. Embayo mo ko ng bayo ng amo. Eli, bayo mo ko ng amo. Ayo. Ayo, okay? Embayo mo amo.
Ellie.
Ang bigat.
Ellie, come here. Close mo door, mommy. Mommy, close the door.
Fish.
Hi, Did you pee?
Yeah, you did.
Lola Lorny daw.
Why?
So you ask Lola Lorny.
Why? What, Ellie? What did you say, Ellie?
Are we still in the car? Yeah.
Kanya yan? Para ang mga ang pamilya kasama.
Dito DJ, why did you play?
Kasi pumutol.
You want me to bite you?
No.
Abaw, muli na kita.
Lola Joy's talking to
Ha?
Ellie.
Muli na kita nabaw.
What do you say?
Kasi mamay si Ira at tumon bagangga. Muna ibiyaan da nato.
Ibiyaan na si Ellie.
O, ibiyaan da. Okay lang kan mo?
Okay.
Okay.
Say okay. Are you full of sand? What's that? Look at your... Hey, don't pot! Hoy, ikaw ha? You're so pasimple. Is it funny?
Ayaw niyo. Ang mukha niya. Where's Ellie?
Where's Ellie?
Ellie, let's find Ellie. Ellie.
Oh, let's go there. Ellie. Is Ellie here? Ellie. Ellie.
Bakit siya nag-stay lang dun?
Where are you, Ellie?
Ellie.
Hala, we're going home na to Davao. Where's Ellie?
Where are you, Ellie?
Ellie. Ellie.
Bakit siya nag-stay lang dun?
Where are you, Ellie?
Where's Ellie? Where's Ellie? I think he's here. Where's Ellie? Ellie? Where's Ellie? I can't see Ellie.
Where are you, Ellie?
Ellie.
We're going back now, Ellie.
Okay, bye Ellie.
Let's go na, let's go.
Ellie, you want here?
Ellie's gonna school. Did you hear that?
Where?
Is that Ellie? Ellie?
Oh, Ellie's slippers are here.
Oh, I'll give this to Era na lang. I'll give this to Era.
Oh, let's go.
Ellie.
Who's touching you?
Someone touched me. Where's Ellie? Where's Ellie?
You hear that?
Ellie, put on your slippers.
If you can hear me, Ellie, go
Go back
here,
inside
Ellie,
here.
so we can see you again.
Allah,
Where's Ellie?
Under here, Ellie.
Where's Ellie? Again.
Ellie's here. Oh, where did you go?
Ellie.
Where did you go?
Where did you go, Ellie? You disappeared.
Ano to? Kuya mo to, ano yan?
Ay, spiky yan. Oh, let's go.
Look, Era's here. Tita's here.
Go to mommy.
Who's that, Ellie?
You're hungry? You want this one? You want this?
The cat wants this because it's sand. The cat is sand. Hala, it's all over Ellie's foot.
What's that?
I want to put the cat
Inside the chain.
While she's been away, living day to day, it's been tough. Without her at my side, simply being alive's been rough. No, she won't be gone forever. There are many times I find it feels that way. And I'm not trying to forget her, just understand how I'll be feeling on that day. It's just like seeing her for the first time again. It's just like seeing her for the first time